Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's FX Videos, and today we're diving into the Forex market action from this past week and looking ahead to what traders should expect next week. If you're serious about your trades and want a solid grasp of the currency movements, this is the video for you. So let's get into it. This week's Forex news summary. Let's start by reviewing the key headlines that shaped the currency markets over the past week. The US dollar USD. The greenback showed some strength early in the week, thanks to the latest jobs report. Non-farm payroll numbers came in better than expected, fueling speculation that the Federal Reserve might not be done raising interest rates. However, as we got closer to Friday, the dollar started to lose momentum, especially after a softer-than-expected inflation report. The CPI numbers weren't as hot as anticipated, which cooled off the aggressive rate hike chatter. Euro-UR. The euro had its own drama this week, with mixed data coming out of the Eurozone. While Germany's industrial output showed signs of recovery, inflation across the region remained a headache. The European Central Bank is in a tough spot, trying to juggle slowing growth and rising prices. As a result, the euro has been pretty choppy, with no clear direction. British pound GBP. The pound continued to face headwinds this week. The UK's economy is still grappling with inflation, and the Bank of England is walking a tightrope with its monetary policy. There was some optimism midweek when a positive GDP figure came out, but overall, traders remain cautious about the UK's economic outlook. Japanese yen JPY. The yen is continuing its downward spiral. The Bank of Japan's dovish stance compared to other central banks keeps the yen under pressure. Despite some interventions by Japanese officials to prop it up, the yen just hasn't been able to shake off the weakness, making it the worst-performing currency among the majors this week. Australian dollar AUD. The Aussie saw some volatility, mostly due to mixed economic data out of China. As Australia is heavily reliant on Chinese demand for its exports, any bad news from Beijing tends to hit the AUD hard. That said, rising commodity prices, especially in the energy sector, gave the Aussie a bit of a boost by the end of the week. Major themes affecting the market. Now, what were the major themes behind these moves? It's all about central banks, folks. This week, the big players, the Federal Reserve, the European Central Bank, and the Bank of England, were at the center of market attention. Their stances on inflation and interest rates are creating a lot of uncertainty. Traders are on edge, waiting for any sign of a policy pivot. This is the kind of environment where you need to be nimble with your trades, as market sentiment can shift in a heartbeat. Next week's forecast. Alright, now let's look ahead. What's on the horizon for next week in the Forex markets? US dollar USD outlook. The US dollar might face more downside pressure next week, depending on how the upcoming retail sales and producer price index data turn out. If inflation continues to soften and economic data weakens, the Fed could take a more dovish tone, which could further weigh on the dollar. But if we get stronger than expected data, it might renew those rate hike expectations, pushing the dollar higher again. Keep an eye on the Fed's commentary, as any hint about future rate hikes will be crucial. Euro-EUR forecast. The euro is likely to remain under pressure as the Eurozone grapples with economic stagnation. With the ECB stuck between raising rates and supporting growth, there isn't much clarity on what's next. Traders should focus on next week's consumer confidence data and any ECB speeches, which could give us a better picture of their policy outlook. British pound GBP outlook. The pound will be in the spotlight with inflation data due next week. If the CPI numbers come in hot, it might push the Bank of England to hike rates again, which could offer the pound some support. However, any signs of weakening in the labor market or slowing economic growth could push the pound lower. Japanese yen JPY forecast. The yen will remain vulnerable unless the Bank of Japan changes its stance on monetary policy. Next week, we're expecting some data on inflation and GDP from Japan, but unless we see something dramatic, the yen will probably stay on the back foot. Australian dollar AUD outlook. China's economic data will once again be key for the Aussie next week. If we get positive numbers out of Beijing, expect the AUD to rally. But any disappointment, especially in the manufacturing sector, could spell trouble for the Aussie. Trading strategy for the week ahead. So, how should traders position themselves for next week? Here's a couple of ideas. Stay flexible with the USD. Given the mixed signals, don't commit too heavily in either direction. A wait-and-see approach could be smart, especially until we get more clarity on US inflation data. Watch the GBP for a breakout. The pound could move sharply based on next week's inflation data. If the numbers are high, it might offer a short-term buying opportunity, but keep those stop losses tight. Consider shorting the JPY. The yen's weakness seems likely to continue unless there's a big shift in Japan's monetary policy. Pairing it against stronger currencies like the dollar or even the euro could be worth considering. That's it for this week's Forex news summary and forecast for next week. Make sure to stay on top of the headlines, and as always, have a solid risk management plan in place. Let me know in the comments what trades you're looking at for next week, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on future updates. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!